Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. Today, we learn about the preposition on and at and how to use them in sentences. Don't forget to write them down on paper and practice them daily. Okay, let's get started. From this screen until the end of the lessons, you will see two columns, one for the at, preposition at, and the other one is for preposition on. This way, you can see clearly the differences between the two prepositions in sentences. Now, let's learn how to use them for location. Preposition at is used for specific point or places. Examples: she is at the door. I'll meet you at the park. Preposition on is used for surfaces or specific location along a street. Examples: the book is on the table. Not on the floor, but on the table. They live on Maple Street. Not other street, but on Maple Street. Now let's learn how to use preposition at and on for time. Preposition at is used for specific times or moments. Examples: the meeting is at 3 p.m. He wakes up at dawn. Preposition on is used for specific days and dates. Examples: we have a meeting on Monday. Not Tuesday or Wednesday, but on Monday. That's the specific days. Another example, her birthday is on May 12th. Let's learn preposition at and on for events or occasions. Preposition at is used for specific events or activities. Examples: she is at my party. Not someone else's parties, but my parties. He was at Susan's wedding. He wasn't at Mary's weddings or Lisa's wedding, but at Susan's wedding. Preposition on used for the days when events occur. Examples: the concert is on Friday. The wedding is on June 10th. Let's learn the preposition at and on for technology or communication. Preposition at is used in email addresses. As an example, email me at yn@gmail.com. So this symbol is at. Preposition on is used for platforms, devices, or surfaces. Examples: the picture is on the wall. That's surfaces. I'm on the phone right now. That's devices. He posted a new picture on Facebook. That platform, which is for social media. Now you have learned about the prepositions on and at. Please stay tuned because I will create another video to challenge your new skills. Okay everyone, this is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for learning with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, bye now.